Welcome to the Elon Effect, your daily check-in with everything orbiting the worlds of SpaceX, Tesla, X, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. I'm your host, Miles Vega. Let's dive in. Elon Musk's Boring Company has quietly broken ground on its most controversial project yet, an underground tunnel beneath Nashville, Tennessee, and it's already sparking political outrage. The company began digging a new route connecting Nashville International Airport to the city's downtown core. But here's the twist. The project is moving forward without approval from local city officials. According to reports from WPLN, state Republicans, backed by Governor Bill Lee, found a legal pathway to bypass Nashville's Democratic-leaning city council entirely. Environmental advocates and city leaders have criticized the move, calling it an assault on local control and transparency. Still, Governor Lee praised the development, saying, "The Boring Company could have taken their next loop anywhere, but they saw something unique about Tennessee, and we're grateful they did." The Nashville Tunnel will operate similarly to Boring's Las Vegas Convention Center loop, where Tesla's shuttle passengers through a nearly 2-mile underground track. But in this case, the stakes are higher. The new project cuts under public land, raising questions about safety and environmental impact. Previous Boring Company proposals in Los Angeles, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. were ultimately shelved after those cities demanded full environmental reviews. In Tennessee, however, the governor is framing the project as a free market solution to Nashville's growing traffic problems. Whether it becomes a breakthrough for regional transit or a flashpoint for regulatory backlash remains to be seen. Meanwhile, Tesla's latest quarterly earnings call delivered its own mix of breakthroughs and fireworks. While the company's third-quarter revenue hit an all-time record, both profit and adjusted earnings per share missed Wall Street expectations, and shares dropped about 4.5% in after-hours trading. Still, Elon Musk used the call to outline his vision for Tesla's next evolution: full autonomy, humanoid robotics, and cutting-edge AI hardware. Here are the 5 big takeaways from that volatile call. First, Musk reaffirmed Tesla's singular focus on achieving true autonomous driving. He emphasized that the company's long-term value will come less from selling cars and more from operating fleets of self-driving vehicles and robotaxis. Second, he addressed his proposed $1 trillion pay package head-on, and not politely. Musk lashed out at proxy advisory firms ISS and Glass Lewis, calling them corporate terrorists for opposing his compensation plan. He accused them of making terrible recommendations that could have destroyed the company's future. The pay package, still up for shareholder vote in early November, could give Musk an additional 12% stake in Tesla if he meets ambitious growth targets in EVs, robotaxis, and AI. Third, Musk teased the upcoming Optimus V3 robot, expected to debut in early 2026. He said, "It won't even seem like a robot. It'll seem like a person in a robot suit." But he also admitted that scaling humanoid robotics remains a massive challenge. With cars or computers, you have existing supply chains. With humanoid robots, there isn't one. Tesla aims to build 1 million units of Optimus by the end of 2026. But Musk conceded that creating lifelike robotic hands has proven particularly difficult. Fourth, Tesla announced a dual partnership with Samsung and TSMC to build its next-generation AI-5 chips, which Musk said will be 40 times more powerful than current hardware. Tesla is investing heavily in chip supply to support both full self-driving and its growing AI infrastructure, including in-house model training. And fifth, Tesla acknowledged the impact of tariffs on its bottom line. CFO Vaibhav Taneja said increased competition and shifting trade policy hit the company with over $400 million in combined tariff costs across its energy and vehicle divisions. Operating income fell 40% year over year, with higher production costs and pricing pressure also weighing on margins. Despite the rocky financials, Musk maintained his trademark optimism, portraying Tesla as the foundation of a broader robotics and AI ecosystem. Between the push for self-driving dominance, the march toward humanoid robots, and his ongoing battles with regulators, the company's story is evolving far beyond cars, and so is the scrutiny that comes with it. From tunnels beneath Tennessee to billion-dollar boardroom battles, Musk's empire continues to test the boundaries between innovation and oversight, sometimes at the same time. That's your tech news for today. If you enjoyed this podcast, please consider subscribing and leaving a quick review. I'm Miles Vega, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care.